I feel good.
Well, that's good to hear.
Yes, right.
So, how was your weekend?
Uh, I took a test. I took a big test yesterday.
And how was it?
Uh, I think I tried to do. I tried to do well, but I think I need more study and preparation about that
Oh.
because uh, I was given ex- unexpected questions than I thought.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah, and mm, yeah, I think I didn't speak well.
Oh, too bad.
Yes.
Well, you can try it next time.
Yes, so I will try to again. I try to do again next time with with enough preparation.
Yeah. Next
Yes,
time you are fully prepared.
yes, right.
Mhm. Okay, okay. All right. So, what else did you do last weekend? Anything else? Anything special?
Mm, yeah, I did. Mm, um, yes, online. Um, uh, I prepared the test of a lot. Yes, I
Mhm.
think last weekend is filled with preparation with open test.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay.
Yes,
Mhm.
without
Okay.
the open test, I went to dentist again, and yes, I studied.
Mhm. Yeah, okay. So when are you going to know the result of the OPIC test?
The result is mm, yeah, the result will be out will come out next this um, 2/5. So uh this weekdays Friday.
Uh, Friday.
Yes, 2/5.
Hmm. Well, good luck on that.
Yes.
Oh, so when are you going to have, or when are you going to take the OPIC test again?
uh I will be I will take a test next um 14th. Yes, with
14.
yeah 14th of
Oh, well,
September.
yeah, so you have time too.
Yes.
You're right. You have time to study again.
Yeah, I need more study and preparation.
I do understand. You're right about that.
Yes.
Okay, was that your first time?
A big test.
Yeah?
Yes, my first time.
Uh-huh. Well, just charge it to experience. Now you know what
Yes.
to do next time.
Yes, right. Um, Actually, on last Friday, I thought um, mm, I didn't. Mm, I thought I will I will I will do well. I want to tell I want to well because I don't I didn't preparation. Uh, I didn't have a preparation about the big test, so I didn't have much time, so I thought I mm,
Mhm.
I cancel. I think I will try to cancel my optic test on Sunday because I thought
Mhm.
uh, I will I won't do well. So, but I try to do it. So it is a good experience.
So you wanted to cancel it because you think you're not yet ready,
Yes,
but you did not.
yeah. So I think last
Mhm.
Sunday is mm, like another preparation
Yeah.
on
Yeah, you're
next
right.
next
Last
test.
Sunday was another preparation.
Yes. So
Mhm. It's okay.
I
You
will
can do it
study
again
more
next
and more.
time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Okay. All right. So are you ready to study your book today?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Our next topic is lesson 10. This one, right?
Right.
Okay. All right. So,
Uh, number number two.
oh, number 2. I heard.
Ah, no, no. Congratulations.
Uh-huh. Congratulations. Okay.
Congratulations about congratulations on your birthday.
Mhm.
Mm, Congratulations on your promotion.
Good. I heard.
Um, I heard that you will move next week. Next week,
Mhm.
is
Good.
that true? I heard that you. I heard that um, you promoted last week.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Congratulations.
You should say, I heard that you got promoted
Uh,
last week.
you got promotion last week.
Promoted.
Promoted. You got promoted.
Well, got
Okay.
promotion can also be,
Mm,
it's also okay.
okay.
You got promotion.
Uh,
But in most cases, you usually use promoted. You got promoted. That
uh,
means she was promoted.
okay. You got promoted. Mm, you deserve. Mm,
Hmm.
you deserve. You deserve the promotion
Okay,
because
good.
you
You
did the
deserve the
best.
promotion. Hmm.
And you deserve. Mm, deserve that you got a good good score of your test.
Hmm. Uh-huh. You deserve getting a good score.
You deserve getting a good score.
Yes. All right. On
Mm,
your test.
yes.
Okay, good. Next.
Mm, mm, do you think do you think is your do you think uh is your boyfriend nice?
Uh-huh.
Handsome?
Okay. All right. You should say, do you think your boyfriend is nice?
Uh, do you think your boyfriend is nice?
Yeah, that's better. Mhm.
Mm, do you think Um, I am. Uh, do you think I am fit fit my my clothes my clothes fit
Uh-huh.
for
Okay.
my clothes?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can say that, or you can say, do you think I look great in my clothes
I'm
with this
great.
clothes? I look
Mm,
great.
oh, mm, I look great.
Yeah, that's better.
Mm,
Do
okay.
you think I look great?
Mm, oh,
Okay, good.
work hard.
Work hard.
Mm. You needed to work hard more.
You need to work hard.
You need to work hard.
Yeah, that's better.
Mm, mm, working hard is helpful for you, helpful to you.
Mhm. Really? Do you think so?
Yes, really think so.
Oh,
Really, I think so.
why? So working hard is
Maybe
nice.
you will get a promotion because you work
Oh,
hard.
I hope so.
Yeah, of course you can do
Mhm.
it.
Yeah, great. That's good to hear.
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. All right. So do you have any questions?
Mm, yes, I have a question about you deserve. Uh,
Mhm.
next after I say you deserve.
Mhm.
Mm, can I say that that can I say
Mhm.
this? Is it correct?
What is it?
Mm, I mean, deserve is verb,
Mhm.
verb, right?
Yes.
Um,
You deserve that subject. For
yeah,
example, subject is you
yeah.
got.
Ah, is it correct?
Mhm.
Or
You
or
uh-huh.
getting.
Mhm.
I can use
Forgetting.
getting.
Forgetting.
Forgetting. You deserve
You
forgetting.
oh, no, 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 no. You deserve getting. Can also be okay.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Mm. Oh, you deserve to win. Mm.
Mhm.
So, uh, getting and that that subject verb is the same meaning.
That?
Same. Yes. Getting and
Uh-huh.
getting and that you get is
Okay,
same
what
to me.
do you deserve that you got? Something like that?
Yeah.
Mhm. It can also be you deserve that you got the promotion. You deserve getting a promotion. Can also be correct. They are the same in meaning.
Um. Okay. I got it.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay. All right. Next one. Don't feel bad. Oh. Hmm.
Mm,
Okay. All right. So let's try to read the dialogue. So I will be May and you will be Jill.
yeah.
What's the matter?
I broke. I broke with my boyfriend.
Don't feel bad.
I know, but
Take it easy. Cheer up. Oh, too bad for them.
Yes, too bad situation.
Okay, so what do you feel when you break up with your boyfriend?
In my case,
Yeah?
mm, actually, nowadays I feel mm, I feel bad with my boyfriend because
Really? Oh,
our
why?
our relationship is almost break up.
Why? What
but
happened?
but we didn't break up yet.
You didn't,
Um,
yeah? So you did not
yes,
break,
I
you did
didn't
not separated yet. Why?
because mm, there are many story about there are many story with us.
Mhm.
But to cut the short, mm, you know, we we are very long distance couple, so we have a long distance between us. So and not only me, but he also prepare the test and
Mhm.
and the job. So
Mhm.
mm, so this last January, uh, we couldn't meet each other.
Oh, that's just too bad.
Yes, we just to meet. We just met uh, once last
Mhm.
January. So he and I think mm,
Mhm.
it is a very uh, mm,
Unfortunate. It's the wrong timing for both of you.
yeah, very burden and hard time because
Yeah, it's a hard time.
yeah, he waited for me next time,
Mhm.
but next time is mm, very long.
Yeah.
So he said, he said, uh,
What
mm,
did he say?
we can better, we, uh, if we can, if we can have a time, have much time
Mhm.
to think about
Mhm.
us, we will be better next time.
Mhm.
So now nowadays we have a time in
Mhm.
our relationship.
Now
Yeah.
you're
So
getting time. That's good. That's good to hear.
yeah.
You should have time.
Yeah, right. Because actually I have a test and uh, I will prepare the job. So yes, I will be busy. So
Mhm.
I don't I can meet boyfriend well. So yes,
Mm.
I should have a time.
Oh, too bad. Yeah. Well, you need to think about that.
Huh? Why?
You need to think about your relationship.
Yeah, why? I think so. Oh,
Mhm.
too
Well,
bad.
yeah. It happens. Sometimes it happens in a relationship.
Yeah, right. I think so. So I'm
Okay.
I'm good. I'm fine.
All right. Oh, we don't have much time already. So, well, I'll see you then again tomorrow in our next lesson is the
uh,
key expressions.
okay. See you again tomorrow.
Yeah, see you. Bye bye.
Bye. Chào.
Bye.